welcome back to another video. This is a trucking video, and let's not mess about, let's just get straight into it. First job of the day, we are tipping on the tip, and they've changed positions. We are going all the way to the top. This is steep. Haven't been up here for a long time. Probably should have got a bit of a run at it. Well, she's managing. I'm surprised because I think it rained last night. Bing, 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 seatbelt, seatbelt. Private land, off-road. Right, I turned round. This looks a bit wet and sticky. We'll manage though, we'll manage. She'll do it. And back it up, back it up. Put her in reverse, second gear. It's actually nicer up here than what it was where we were tipping. Normally when I say things like that, something goes wrong. Fingers crossed it doesn't. Don't think it'll take long for this to become a mess when it gets wet and we're reversing uphill. Oh, thanks gearbox. It's just changed gear. Good job I didn't stop. The flipping wind blew me mat back in before I got a chance to get it all off. Fingers crossed, wherever he's sending us next will be waste. Because if it's compost, I'm going to have to sweep all of that out. Right, I just need to have a look and see if I can tighten this up because it's rattling quite a lot. See if I can tighten it up. Job's a good one. Right, I've got another one up to the landfill. But first we need to get some diesel. There's no way I'm going to get through there, is there? And we've got a lorry delivering and two on the pumps. Right, let's just got fuel. I will need to put my AdBlue in a bit. Mirrors are rotten. Dash is covered in dust. But at the minute, there's no point in doing anything about it because it's just going to get covered in it again when I go on the tip, isn't it? Right, we're having some problems today. We're sliding. Look, the steering wheel's not really doing. Problem I've got is this load is really light, but there's too much weight on the front for us to be able to lift me tag axle up. So there's no weight on it. I am going to get stuck here. Trying my best to just feather the throttle. I got the weight transfer, the diff locks in, traction control. I don't think I'm going to make it up this next hill. I really don't, unless there's a lot of stone underneath the surface. I'm just sliding. Come on, it's actually quite dry here. Come on. I think I'm going to need towed back when I get to the turning circle. I'm going to have to take the diff lock out, otherwise we won't turn. Right, now keep it moving, keep it moving, keep it moving. Very surprised I made it up there. Very surprised we made it up there. I've got something rattling when I'm going over bumps and I'm off-road, and I think, stupid button, I know what it is. This one, the other one didn't do it, but this one, every time you pull away, the doors lock. And I can't turn it off. And I know you're supposed to be able to on the dashboard, but I can't. I know what this rattle is. See this? Oh, come here. I can't reach it now. I've got the air suspension all the way up and I cannot reach it. I think that's what's rattling around. I think. Right, I'm just pulling up now to get loaded with compost, and I've had this come up on the dashboard, and it's telling me driver's side and tag axle inner. Now it could be a sensor issue, but we won't risk it. We will get out and have a look at it and check it. But first thing I'm gonna have to do is get weighed in. I need to sweep the trailer out and make sure it's clean. Then we can load the compost. Then we'll have a look at the tyre. Ooh, it's getting warm. It's getting warm. I've swept the trailer out and I've turned the engine and everything off, and I've had a listen. I can't hear a puncture. So what I'll do is, once we're loaded, I'll top the tyre up with some air and we'll monitor it. I will check the tyre before I blow it up. Right, we're backing in now. I'll get loaded. A little bit of a wait, but it wasn't too bad. Somebody's beeping the horn. I don't like it when people beep when you're reversing. Right, I might as well top me ad blew up while I'm here. If anyone hasn't seen this before, we have this because it's cheaper to buy it in the yard and have it on board the trailer than filling it up off the pumps. And right on cue, I get out the cab. Here comes the rain. These crocodile clips aren't gonna last much longer. Right, I've topped it up as far as my tyre inflator will go, and we're now seeing 110.2. Now I'll just keep an eye on it, and if it comes back then we'll have to look into it further. I have checked all the way around the tyre and I can't see anything in it, so I don't know if it's just slightly dropped, and I don't know. There's nothing in it, there's no punctures, there's no cuts in it, it's not knackered. I've just topped it up. I mean, when I turned the truck off when I got here and started back up, it went up from 98.6 to 103 without even putting any air in it. So it could just be an iffy sensor. I tell you what we can be doing while we're here, just before we set off, is clean these bloody mirrors again. Quick spray of Chrome's Cosmic Charge. And as Rodney Trotter would say, that is Cosmic, mate. Ah, it smells unreal. I wish you could get like 5 litre spray tins of it. I'd go through it, somewhat rotten. And while I'm here, I'm gonna empty my bin. Ah, you dirty Seen as it was just there, otherwise I would have waited till I was on a site and just chucked it out. Seat belt the first, and let's have it, mush.
Isn't it nice
There's Sandy, flat out, flat broke, ushed. Oh, good lord. The V8's broken down and it's being recovered by a Volvo. Bet the clutch is gone. Typical bloody Scania. I always get nervous coming through in case somebody comes the other way, even though it's on traffic lights. Miracle! He stayed back from the line even though he's sitting on this line. The amount of times I've come around there and they've been past the stop line, and then you come around the corner and stop because you can't get round, and they go, I don't know what to do. Don't drive over the stop line, for starters. And then secondly, get out the road. And you got to watch this one for people like him that come round on your side of the road. Horrible little road, this. Horrible. This little bridge is lethal. I wonder how many young'uns have come over this in that car and took off. It's a bit of a steep one. Over the Civic Lock. Race car. We have arrived, and as soon as we tip this, we're going to have a 30-minute break because I've only got 13 minutes driving left. Roger. And that tyre, what was it at? 110.2 or something? It's now 121.8. See what I mean? I was right. When it heats up, air expands, pressure goes up. There's curtain cider waiting to tip or load, and that is where I need to be, and that water floor's coming out, going in, coming out. We'll just let him out and figure out what the crack is. Right, we're in. Just get this somewhere near where we want it. Doors open, sesame! You alright?
Yeah, just to let you know, last tip, 4 o'clock.
Right. It is just about to chuck it down. I get these doors shut and I'm going to have a break. Told you I was going to hire it down, didn't I? Just in time. Right, we've had a break. We're going up to York. I'm going to do a one. Oh, the dog's just weed on his bike. We're going to do a one to the burner. Yeah, this bridge. Hey, as I turned, I just looked at the dog and it pissing on his bike. Well, there's a surprise. There's a queue. Right, I've tipped, but got a problem. We have drippy coming from very, and it needs to stop drippy. There's 2 of them or 3 of them on top of there, and they're a nightmare. What you got to do is you got to get your hand up there. I would show you, but I can't get the camera in, and I'm not willing to get it covered in oil. You got to use 2 fingers. Stop it. And you've got to try and get the bung out first before you can tighten it up. Because where the Allen key goes in, it'll be full of grease and dirt. Jesus, there's no need for them to be this long. So it's full of rubbish. Try and pop the camera up so you can see. Can you see it? There isn't a lot of room. I don't know if you could even see anything there, but this Allen key just safe. There we go. Job fixed. Right, let's get turned around and parked up. That's going to be it for this video. Nice little short one for you. Nothing too long, nothing too serious. And, well, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment, hit the like, hit the hype, and I'll see you on the next one.